You inherit a huge family home. Your relatives persuade you to sell it, claiming that it was haunted by the souls of a family that was murdered without explanation. You are convinced they are only rumors and that ghosts don't exist. Isn't it just jealousy about your inheritance? Probably. This house is beautiful after all. So you move into this house and decide to celebrate it with your friends. You're having a great night when a strange noise sounds in the basement. Probably rats. You and your friends decide to go downstairs to find the source of the noise, but you don't find anything unusual. So, you were right. Rats. Disgusting. As you go up from the basement, you notice something unusual. An old Ouija board. The former owner must have left it there. This one captivates your curiosity. Your friends encourage you to test the board to summon the spirits. You lend yourself to the game and agree to play, just for fun. Spirits, are you there? Everyone in the room is holding their breath, when suddenly the board vibrates and the word yes is formed. Wait, this is not real. One of your friends probably moved it to scare you. So you decide to continue. How did you die? Murdered. Who killed you? The board doesn't move. Spirits? Where are you? Behind you. A shiver goes through you when all of a sudden the lights go out and the doors slam inexplicably. With trembling hands, you turn on the flash of your cell phone and light up the room. You see with amazement a bloody sentence. You have 1 hour. The group of friends runs to take refuge in the office.